So community outreach and community engagement are not the same, surprisingly to many. It is not the same, and they require different tactics. When it comes to community outreach, it is the short-term process of defining a target audience and establishing a specific goal for a certain project or initiative. For example, with policy change, you will build awareness about the policy, encourage community members and stakeholders to vote. Then once it passes, that's usually the end of the relationship and the communication. Community engagement includes long-term relationship building where trust is established over time through partnerships, collaborations, and regular encounters with the community and stakeholders. This is also when organizations include the target audience in validating program messaging, marketing, and recruiting techniques. So here is a difference in what I feel is effective versus ineffective community engagement. On the left, the individual at the yellow table, I purposely marked their face out. You can see that there's a lot of information on the table, a lot of giveaways. There's not much organization. There's no interactive component. But on the right side of this presentation, you see an individual with a demonstration, and you can tell that she has an audience's attention because she has a hands-on interactive activity for them to participate in, for them to learn, for them to know more. Now, with the image on the left, there is always opportunities to include interactive components to what you're doing. There can be trivia and any type of surveys, maybe asking people, are they unemployed or what year they are in university, just to see where people are and what types of resources they need. So when it comes to community outreach and engagement, it should be cost effective, which allows us to operate better as an organization and support our community at our highest potential. One, you want to have effective planning for success and sustainability of the program and resources. You also want to properly allocate resources prior to conducting outreach and engagement. You want to be sure to properly utilize those resources that have been allocated. And also you want to ensure you have the capacity for community engagement to prevent burnout from staff and missed opportunities. Having an outreach and engagement plan plays a role in why organizations are operating at their greatest potential. These plans also support your recruitment and onboarding processes. So here are some ideas for interactive activities. From trivias to surveys, challenges, and demonstrations. People love these things. I've also included a list of recruitment tools that are the same list of those everyday tools that we can use to collect data and track program performance. Always compare the tools that you are using so you don't have to use all these other unnecessary tools. So we have SurveyMonkey, Google Forms, Linktree, and QR codes. All of those together can be combined or used independently.